Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Is your Apple Watch frozen? The screen not responding? Or are you unable to turn it off normally? In this video, I want to show you a quick and easy way to get your Apple Watch back to normal. Let's get right into it. First, press and hold both the digital crown and the side button at the same time. You need to keep them pressed for about 15 seconds until the Apple logo appears. Do not let go. Keep holding them down. You will see the screen turn off first, and then the Apple logo will pop up. Once it appears, you can release the buttons. A very important recommendation. If you are currently updating your Apple Watch operating system, watchOS, never attempt a force restart during that update. Doing so could permanently brick your Apple Watch and make it completely useless. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe and leave a comment below. Cheers everyone, and see you in the next video.